Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. We have an awesome, incredible video about Lyft's new bonus program for drivers. I want to share it all with you. But before I do, I want to tell you all about Current, which is a new mobile banking app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers up to 2 days faster. No fees on overdraft, up to $200, meaning if you go negative $200, there's no fees. You can get paid 2 days faster, you get cash back on gas. You earn 4% APY on your savings. This is an incredible offer for Uber and Lyft drivers. Check it out down below. Sign up for Current using my unique link to take advantage of all those offers. And now let's get started. So here we have it. This comes from our Uber and Lyft drivers Facebook group from Kasich Zeng. Lyft is finally giving more surges to outbid Uber. It looks like Lyft and Uber right now are flooding the market with just getting these crazy bonus rides. $31 ride, 8 minutes away, $5 ride, $6 ride. Go online, this match is not guaranteed. Tom Gorman said, did you get the $31 ride? Then you need to find a rider who's willing to pay more. Do not believe these fraudulent bonuses. Oh, it's not $9 or higher, it's a joke. Spam comment. Lol, nope, those are nothing. Uber is still higher. Let's check out Uber's. Oh, this guy provided a great screenshot. $12 delivery, $31 delivery for 38 minutes. That's actually not bad. Only 8 miles, that's like $3 a mile. $4 a mile almost. $8 here, $12 here for 5 miles. $15 delivery for 0 seconds. $10 tip. $3 tip, $9, $25, $16. So, let's keep reading. Do you guys think these bonuses, I mean, are they really flooding the market? Obviously, this is New York, so it should be a little bit higher, but I mean, I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about these bonuses? Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. Bye now.